Filling up your SUV has no impact on the rainforest? Most disagree. Here's Jillian reporting live in the Amazon rainforest.
Hey, it's Jillian here. I'm from Geo News, and I'm going to be here with Christian asking the questions. How do you think oil contamination is happening?
I think that oil contaminating is happening because the oil companies in their early decades were dumping oil into the lakes and rivers.
And do you think that's causing local health effects on the animals and people here?
I strongly agree with that statement. I think that all the oil that's been dumped into the rivers is really causing all these health problems.
Oil factories can be useful and harmful. Oil helps with a lot of things, but is not good for the environment. Some lakes and rivers get contaminated with oil and can kill all the fish in the water. When animals drink out of the contaminated lakes/rivers, they can get serious diseases.
Yeah, so I saw there's two men, right? And one of them was loading an oil drum into the truck, and the other one was starting up the truck. And both of them weren't paying attention. And they started up the truck and they started driving away. And the oil spilled everywhere. I saw it, it was crazy.
Well, thank you for your time. We'll be back after the short break.
Nearly a year ago, over 400,000 barrels of oil dumped into the Cocoa River, and it is still unsafe to drink.
About the rainforest?
Sure, go ahead.
So what are your thoughts about oil having impact on the rainforest?
I honestly could care less about the rainforest. What has it done for us?
Well, it gives oxygen to breathe.
Besides that, what else has it done?
I am Jillian Annapolis, and this was Geo News. Tune in next time.